Alright, come with me. This video, we are going to my favorite store, HEB. Can you guess it? Again, in this video, welcome to TJInspires. I'll let you look. This is one of my favorite grocery stores. So this is the produce, strawberries. You'll see what's in my basket. Have you ever had these strawberries before? Hydroplanic? I don't know. Comment below if you've had any of these fruits. Again, this is different fruits. I'm going to end up trying these one day. So comment below if you know the name of the fruit. I love going to HEB because of the fresh seafood. You can see I got some salmon and some shrimp.
I'm going to do some shrimp too.
I had to stop and look at the ice cream. Have you ever tried any of these Dole Whips or the icy Minute Maid ices? And then here is ice cream. Comment below if you've ever tried any of these ice cream or you want me to review them. Comment below. Here's what's in my basket. Groceries for the week. Shrimp, bell peppers, grapes. Again, back to the ice cream section.
All right, dinner tonight is salmon,
dinner,
spinach, shrimp, and I used some classic ranch, a little bit of chicken broth, a little bit of lime, and some salzone. And we're gonna put this in the oven again. That's salmon and shrimp going in the oven. And the mister has barbecue chicken. So this is dinner. We do eat healthy, so spinach, salmon, shrimp, a few bell peppers, the shrimp, there's the salmon, the spinach. Ooh, have to plate this. Shrimp and salmon. Shrimp, rice, cabbage, and salmon. See, under this is the salmon. Look at that. So yummy. This is dinner. Salmon, rice, cabbage, and spinach.